It is kind of strange to hear something loud in a building, but it's to get our attention over something very dangerous. It's a red or white device on the wall or the ceiling that has a flashing strobe and makes a loud, important sound. This device is called a fire alarm to get our attention over fire so we can get out of the building. Saving sound, saving sound, saving sound, and stay outside till the fire department says safe and nothing when it's done, and now it's time to evacuate. So no time to go crazy because there's a fire in the building and we need to get out now. To the outside, nevertheless, is my first time, obviously, evacuating during a fire emergency so we can all be safe outside, as this is like the monthly fire drills that we have to do at school. Alright, we are outside, waiting for the fire department saying that it's safe to re-enter the building after they completely extinguish the fire. And when they reset the whole entire fire alarm system, we are still waiting patiently for when it's safe to go back inside. The fire is all gone, but we still can't go back inside. The reason why is because they have to drop the smoke out of the building by opening doors and using exhaust things that are powerful, like up to 1 megawatt. That'll be safe to go back in when they announce the ultimate message, and then we can finally go back inside after so much patience and waiting. It looks like the firefighters come to the building. Means that very soon we'll get to go back inside the building. Oh boy, this is very exciting to see. I think it's gonna happen. Amen. I can feel the re-entry coming like very soon. All clear, everyone. You can go back inside the building because the fire emergency is now over.